Hi, Dax.
See?
What are you doing today?
See?
Oh, cool. You got it on your wrist? Is that the remote control?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah.
Is it for your race car?
Yes.
Your remote control race car Blaze?
Yeah.
Awesome. Show us how it works. Whoa.
Oh, gosh.
It crashed?
Yeah.
Go get it.
I got it.
All right.
I got it, Mommy.
You're not going to run it into me, are you?
Got you, Mama.
You got me.
Baby. Oh, stop.
Back it up. Back it up. There's Lana. Dax's dog Lana. Oh, it's transforming. Transformed into a truck.
What?
Yeah, transformed into a truck. See?
No.
Okay, make it go.
Oh. No.
Let's blaze into action. Whoa!
Me.
Whoa.
Me.
All right. Say bye, Dax.
Bye-bye.